So welcome to yet another week of Ask Henna Sooq. And when you are asking these questions, I'm choosing them from the comments below, questions that you have posted, and you are getting specially selected to be answered directly by me. And if you have a pressing question that you need an answer to right now, just go to hennasooq.com, click the lower right hand corner, and you'll see the live chat feature there, and you can reach one of our experts that will answer your questions right away. So let's see what these questions are about this week. Let's see what was posed. We got Ali Larp 5373 asks, I have blonde hair naturally. Is there a way to achieve a more purple tone with light hair as a base? I've noticed most purple burgundy tones usually are over a dark base. So that purpley type of tone is pretty difficult to achieve on light hair tones. So it is gonna go pretty dark, pretty red, pretty kind of burgundy. So if you're thinking about like purple as in, when I've seen purple like chemical color, then no, it can't really deposit that exact shade and light blonde. I really don't think it's gonna work, sorry. Next question comes from Sin's Corner. And they ask, does washing the hair with baking soda before using henna cleanse it thoroughly enough? I've been having the issue with indigo treatments fading at the roots in less than a week. Even with a recent 2-step, the indigo has already started to fade at the roots less than a week, though it does look a tad better than the indigo results. But it's not very long and it's annoying. So baking soda also can be stripping on the hair. So I'm not really sure how often you're using baking soda treatments. If you're using it to kind of prep your hair to receive the color, you could definitely try to see that'll work for you. Soap nut hands down definitely works. We have soap nut hair wash, and we have also the soap nut shampoo bar. So you could choose between those two to clarify your hair beforehand to receive the color much better. And as far as the fading, I need more information on using color safe shampoos and conditioners. Like the shampoos and hair washes that we have at Hennasooq, including the cleansing co-wash, are color safe. We've tested them with our henna hair color line to ensure that it does not cause any added fading. Sometimes other things can cause fading, sometimes like heavy oiling, even sometimes oily buildup can remove color. Sweating, the gym, maybe could even be chlorine. It just depends. Like sometimes the summer months, because of the heat and everything that you're being exposed to, can cause fading to happen a little bit quicker. Question number 3 comes from Dolores Arredondo 1583. They ask, I used henna and indigo for the first time, but my hair is dry. How soon can I oil on my hair? Whereas oils are great for the hair, they're very, very moisturizing. If your hair is already feeling dry, I highly recommend that your hair be damp first and you use water-based leave-in conditioners. Then you lock it in with an oil to moisturize. Sometimes oils alone are not enough because they're basically sitting on your hair. Maybe the argan serum oil absorbs really well, and some oils do work really well. Like if that is working for you and it's enough moisture, you can moisturize right after you do your coloring. But do note, for some people, again, these oils can sometimes pull some of the color out. It's just basically a little bit heavy. So water-based leave-in conditioners are the best way to go because they're a little bit lighter and they definitely absorb really well. And then you can lock it all in with, your hair oil that you really like. So just pay attention to those things, because whereas they can be working for you, and that's great. If they do, then go ahead and you can moisturize after your henna hair coloring. But definitely, I highly recommend our cleansing co-wash. It's a restorative co-wash. It really adds a lot of slip and moisture to the hair. We created it on purpose so that way you guys will not be left feeling really dried out. And please use aloe vera powder in your henna hair color mix to really, at the beginning of that, when you're making that recipe, that it really does add moisture to your hair, right away on the spot. And then the cleansing co-wash, and then you moisturize with your regular leave-ins. So I hope that helps. Thank you again for tuning in. Remember, if you have a question that you want me to possibly select yours, just comment down below, put it there, and we will go through them and hopefully you'll get selected. We got you. And don't forget, you gotta subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100K by end of this year, so please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss any of our great videos. and support our ever-growing community, because we are just getting there. We're just growing. And if you're in the Columbia, Maryland area, I hope you'll come see us at the retail and salon location. And again, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to see you guys next week, all right? See ya. Bye.